In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily delete all your watch history on TikTok. Deleting your watch history can be helpful if you want to maintain privacy or simply start fresh with a clean slate. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called Activity Center. Tap on it. What you want to do next is tap where it says, Watch History. Now you will be able to see all of the TikTok videos you watched. If you want to delete any video from the watch history, tap Select at the top right corner of the screen. Tap and select the video that you want to delete. Or if you want to delete all the watch history on TikTok, tap over here. And then tap on the Delete button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Delete one more time to confirm it. Now you've successfully deleted your watch history on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.